The Akkadian Empire emerged over 300 years ago, led by Sargon the Great, who unified Mesopotamia and established the world's first true empire. This significant historical moment demonstrates humanity's first steps towards organized governance, setting the stage for future civilizations. The might of the Akkadian military allowed for the expansion of territory, which facilitated trade and cultural exchange across the region. The tribute system reinforced Sargon's power, while ensuring that the wealth of the empire flowed into its capital, transforming Akkad into a hub of commerce and culture. Such economic prosperity not only elevated Akkad's status, but also laid the groundwork for artistic and intellectual achievements that would influence generations. This flourishing of knowledge and culture showcased the empire's commitment to progress, uniting its people under a shared identity and ambition. Despite its eventual decline due to external pressures and internal challenges, the Akkadian Empire's impact on history remains profound, leaving behind a legacy that shaped future empires.